Hi, this is Harvey Chai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm again with another unboxing, unpackaging. So I have a product for you guys from AliExpress. Let's unpack this one to see what we have inside. Let's cut this off. Heavy packaging I can see here. This one to see. Okay, lovely. This one is for my car, Audi. There we go. Logos of Audi. Let me take this off. If you have Audi, you may like this one. Simple. I bought in AliExpress. You can pay $2 or $3. You can have many of them for your car. So here we go. I have 4 for you guys. Audi. Here, the logo of Audi sticker. So I'll take this one to my car and I will show you how they look exactly inside my car. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.